Welcome to this comprehensive walkthrough of Convex Finance. Today, we're diving into one of the most efficient platforms for maximizing your DeFi yields. Did you know that with Convex Finance, you can significantly boost your CRV staking rewards and streamline liquidity staking? Stick around to see how easy and profitable it can be to leverage this powerful tool. Let's begin by exploring the homepage, where you'll immediately notice Convex Finance's focus on CRV and CurveLP staking. The interface is sleek, designed for both beginners and advanced users. Here, you can connect your wallet with just one click. Supported wallets include MetaMask, Ledger, and many more, ensuring broad compatibility. Once connected, you'll see your dashboard displaying options for staking CRV, adding curve liquidity, or utilizing Convex advanced boosting features. CRV holders can stake their tokens directly to earn higher rewards. By staking through Convex, you not only gain CRV rewards, but also benefit from platform-specific Chevron tokens, adding to your overall yield. For liquidity providers, Convex simplifies the process. You can deposit CurveLP tokens, which are automatically optimized to maximize your yield. This integration ensures you're always earning the highest possible rewards without manual intervention. The boost feature is what sets Convex apart. It amplifies your rewards based on the amount of CRV locked, offering a competitive edge to active participants. Navigating to the rewards section, you'll see a real-time overview of your earnings. This transparency is one of Convex Finance's strengths, allowing users to track their performance effortlessly. These are minimal and straightforward, ensuring more of your earnings stay in your pocket. AD integration. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. Returning to Convex Finance, the platform's analytics tools give users insights into the broader ecosystem, helping you make informed decisions. Additionally, the governance model is designed to align with user interests, ensuring the platform remains community-centric and sustainable over time. Don't miss this opportunity to make your crypto assets work harder for you. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel for more in-depth DeFi guides, and share this video with anyone who wants to unlock the full potential of their crypto investments.